Good day, faith friends. Our gospel for today is from Luke chapter 1 verses 26 to 38. In today's gospel, nakita natin kung paanong hindi lamang basta naniwala si Maria, kundi kung paanong siya ay nagtiwala at sumunod rin. We witnessed Mary's courage and commitment to the Lord. Alam niya na kaakibat ng kanyang pag-oo ang isang napakalaking responsibilidad. Pero, buong puso pa rin niya itong tinanggap. Sa ating buhay, hindi natin may iwasang magduda. This harsh life taught us to be doubtful of things, of people, and their intentions and promises. Ngunit kung meron man tayong bagay na hindi kailanman dapat pagdudahan, iyon ay ang salita ng Diyos, ang kaniyang mga pangako at plano para sa atin. For God does not always reveal the details of His plans. We just need to learn to trust Him. Just trust His plans. Trust His timing. For nothing is impossible for Him. Everything will fall in its proper place, in His perfect time. Gaya ni Maria, maaaring maging challenge din para sa atin na sumunod kay Lord. Dahil madalas, kalakip dapat ng ating pagsunod ay ang ating genuine efforts and commitment. But no matter how challenging or demanding it is, always choose to follow the good side. Strive to follow His will for us. Strive to serve Him in the best ways we can. Ngayong araw, ipinapaalala sa atin ang mga katangian ni Maria na dapat nating tularan. Nawa ay maging gaya tayo ni Maria, na naniwala, nagtiwala, at sumunod sa kaloob ng Diyos.